Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Erin with Snowberry Design Co, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how I paint this holiday rose bouquet. I'll have a link to my Amazon store listed in the description box below if you'd like to check out all the supplies I use regularly. I'm using my size 16 round brush and placing my roses on the paper. I'm using Perylene Scarlet by Daniel Smith. The key with roses is not to be afraid to use a broader stroke and to overlap your brush strokes. You want a little bit of defining white space, but don't let that scare you from overlapping and making the petals really wide. Now I've mixed a darker red by adding in some black, and I'm placing the base of my anemone. I'm not really being too careful with this one because I want it to have that flat look. I want the watercolor paint to really look clean on these flowers, so I'm not going to layer a ton. Now I've switched to my size 4 round brush and I'm adding in some berries. I decided to add a few more light pink berries using my Shell Pink by Holbein. Now I'm darkening the centers of my roses by adding another layer with my size 4 brush. Next, I'm adding in some simple stems. I want there to be enough stems that the bouquet looks full. You're only seeing 3 large flowers here, but I want to create the illusion that there are more flowers in the bouquet, which is why I'll be adding way more than 3 stems. Next, I'm adding in some sprigs, and I'm going to start adding in greenery to my bouquet. I'm adding in some large leaves using a warm green that I mixed using Turner's Yellow and Undersea Green. Now, using Perylene Green by Daniel Smith, I'm going to add in some dark green sprigs. Next, I'm adding in some stems to my little berry groupings, and then I'm going to add a little bit to the center of my roses and finish off my anemone with Payne's Gray. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like by hitting the thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching. Bye!